Hello to all the pharmacy, medical, paramedical and life science graduates and dear career aspirants. Welcome to the Clinosol's YouTube learning channel. To learn more informative topics from us and for notifications on upcoming posts, please subscribe our channel by clicking on the bell icon. What you can learn here? You can learn about Clinosol's live events, courses, career scope and opportunities and many more innovative programs by the Clinosol Students Forum. In today's video, we are going to discuss about medical writing and its scope in various clinical research and pharmacovigilance areas. About medical writing. Medical writing is the activity of producing or generating scientific documentation by a professional and competent writer who is typically not one of the scientists or doctors involved in the research. Medical writers are two types: regulatory or scientific writers, educational or marketing writers. Regulatory medical writing means creating the documentation that regulatory agencies require in the approval process for drugs, devices and biologics. Regulatory documents can be huge. Some of them are investigator's brochure, clinical study reports, protocol, periodic safety update reports, common technical documents, standard operating procedures, informed consent form and many more. Educational medical writing includes writing documents about drugs and biologics for general audience as well as specific audience such as healthcare professionals for their easy referral and understanding. It includes publication plannings, manuscripts, newsletters, training and teaching materials, brand promoting documents such as sales literature for newly launched marketing as well as generic drugs. Moving further, we will be limiting ourselves to the medical writer scope in various aspects of clinical research. Now let us know what are the requirements for a medical writer. Before knowing the requirements what a medical writer needs, we will look for who requires a medical writer. Contract research organizations, that is CROs, pharmaceutical or healthcare companies, business process outsourcing companies, functional service providers like healthcare communication companies, and in post-marketing surveillance, that is phase 4 of clinical trials. Now let us know about the basic prerequisites for a medical writer. Medical writer is a unique job role which requires insights on both science as well as art. Besides this, the academic qualification in any life science courses, that is medical or paramedical sciences, should have familiarity with medical concepts and terminologies, should have ability to write, should have insights on domain knowledge and some other skills. So, what is domain knowledge and why to have those? Command on various areas like medical and therapeutic area. Why to have? Since medical writer communicates scientific information related to the medical field, so having a thorough knowledge is a good strategy. Next one is on drug development process, pharmacology and drug safety. And why to have? As medical writers are involved in clinical research and regulatory documents such as trial protocols, investigators brochure, clinical study reports and many more. So he requires thorough understanding on these concepts and various guidelines related to these. Next one is on statistics. And why to have? Medical writers also come across statistics. Every medical writer has to deal with confidence interval, t-tests, p-values, regression analysis and randomization schemes. An understanding of statistics is necessary and having a knowledge on interpretation and presentation of research data is important. Next one is on technical guidelines. Why to have? National regulatory authorities have their own specific requirements and numerous guidelines on how to write a clinical study reports, investigators brochure, periodic safety update reports and other documents. The knowledge on these instructions should be thorough and the information about these is available on ICH websites. Knowledge is must on them. And in case of emergence of new guidelines, medical writer has to be updated with them also. The last one is on MedDRA, ATC codes, WHO drug dictionary. And why to have these? These are few domains where a medical writer has to know how to use the coding for a drug or an adverse event or subject details to maintain the confidentiality of records. The other skills required by a medical writer is having important additional skills on language and grammar, literature or reference searching, ability to understand, ability to work across teams and independently, time management and commitment. Having these important qualities makes you distinguished as a good medical writer. And now let us know what is the need of a medical writer. Rising innovations, rapid growth in healthcare sectors gave rise to demand for medical documents pertaining to the clinical research. In the current scenario, as clinical trial studies are huge and the major CROs as well as pharmaceutical industries requires individuals who can clearly articulate the document meeting all the standards and who can present the information clearly and concisely. On the next note, let us know the steps how a medical writer should present the scientific documents. First step is understanding the brief of a study. Before starting to write, it is necessary for a medical writer to understand the purpose of the documents being written and what the sponsor wants to achieve through it. The second step is literature search and review of information. Adequate planning and time spent on literature search and review can yield valuable information which a medical writer can use appropriately to support the documents being written. A correct search strategy and classifying retrieved information in usable chunks is very important. Next step is authoring and compiling the document. Drafting the first version of the document, use of a predefined template, following a style guide to reduce the review time. In addition to this main text, it is responsibility of a medical writer to ensure that correct appendices have been compiled in the final version of the documents or not. Next step is the review process. Involves review of contents and editorial or formatting review. A quality check process of contents involving cross-checking all the verifiable information with source data is essential. It is usually done after a self-review process. Steps are formatting and editing. Formatting and editing is more of a single-step process which involves checking text font and size consistency, line and paragraph spacing, header and footers, margins and page numbers. Editing involves checking for language use. Example, US or British English, spellings, punctuation marks, correct use of tense and appropriate reference styles. Documents that are required for publication on electronic publishing needs to be rigorously copy edited, proofread and checked for formatting required. Next step is approval and sign off. All scientific documents need approval and sign off from the designated approver, usually an expert. The medical writer must allow the approver to review and sign off the document. The last step is electronic publishing. A number of software tools are now available for e-publishing and a modern medical writer may need to have familiarity with their use. Writing services for regulatory submissions and drug promotion activities in various phases of preclinical and clinical trials. During preclinical phase, a medical writer can have scope in generating the documents like preclinical study reports, preclinical sections of INDs, clinical sections of INDs, investigators brochure, clinical developmental plans, common technical document modules involving non-clinical overviews. CTDs are the templates which provide specifications for an application dossier for the registrations of medicines and designed to be used across Europe, Japan and US. And the next one is during clinical trial phase, that is phase 1 to phase 3, and they are research protocols, standard operating procedures, IV updates, clinical trial protocols, informed consent documents, policy papers, annual safety reports, clinical study reports, subject narratives, clinical trial registry synopsis, summary of product characteristics, prescribing information, quality check reports, clinical trial disclosures, CTD modules involving clinical overview. In post-marketing surveillance, services that medical writer involved are in generating phase 4 study documents, periodic safety update reports, periodic adverse drug experience reporting, benefit risk analysis, review literatures, risk management plans, product monographs, therapeutic training models, question and answer booklets. Now let us know about medical writing organizations. Numerous organizations have been established by leading countries. Some of the leading organizations are American Medical Writers Association (AMWA), Australian Medical Writers Association (AMWA), European Medical Writers Associations (EMWA), and Indian Medical Writers Associations. These are some of the major medical writer organizations who represent, supports and trains medical communicators in their respective countries. Now let us know about benefits of choosing medical writer career. It's a long-term profession where an individual can sustain him or herself. Ample growth opportunities, good compensations along with job security, better work conditions and provides work-life balance. Let us know the key players and salaries where a medical writer can get hired and how much they can get paid. CROs offering medical writing posts: IQVIA, Covance Inc., Cactus Communications, Omics International, Clinixa Life Sciences, Icon, Parexel International Corporation,
Cytoclinform, PPD, Syneos Health. Pharmaceutical companies offering medical writing posts: Novartis, Eli Lilly, GSK, Cytel, GlaxoSmithKline, Sanofi Aventis, HCL Technologies. Business process outsourcing companies offering medical writing posts: TCS, Accenture, Cognizant, Integin, Skiformix. And now, here are the pay scales in the hierarchical order. An early medical writer with experience of 1 to 4 years can get a package of 3,25,000 to 4 lakhs. A mid-medical writer having an experience of 5 to 9 years can get a package of 6 lakhs to 7 lakhs. A senior medical writer with more than 10 years of experience can get a package up to 14 lakhs per annum. Moving on to the next important aspect, that is training and professional resources for a medical writer. There are no formal diploma or degree courses in medical writing, but training in this discipline usually involves in-house training. Organizations that employ medical writers generally provide the necessary general and project-specific training to the new recruits. This may involve training in drug development process, exposure to drug safety, medical statistics, different kinds of regulatory documents and their requirements, work processes and style guides also. Short courses or workshops by professional bodies. 1 or 2 day training programs or workshops may be organized by professional bodies on specific topics. On-the-job mentor-guided training. This is usually given by a senior medical writer more experienced in writing different kind of documents. Motivated self-study. This is the mainstay of a medical writer's training. A writer who is self-motivated and curious can do a lot of training himself or herself on different types of medical writing. On all these, Clinozol Private Limited is working towards this field, accepting all the challenges to develop skills in medical writing with its advanced and expertise training in medical writing.
Now, let us know about why Clinozol is the best training institute and what makes Clinozol the best training institute. Highly skilled, certified and dedicated faculty with over 15 plus years of industry experience in various areas of clinical research and healthcare. Rated course content with practical learning approaches make the learning filled with fun and a great experience of learning and memorizing things with practical implementation of subject learned during the sessions. Vast number of courses to choose from and to have a multi-domain course combination which is a tailor-made to cope up with industry competencies. Affordable fee structure with quality learning. Regular weekly assessment to test oneself where they are standing at their skill level. Complementary courses to give overall 360-degree completeness to a perfect job seeker. Interactive online sessions to cut down the traveling time and additional expenses and gives a choice of taking classes at different timings based on the personal availability. One-year course validation enhances the student to take multiple sessions of the same topic for absenteeism coverage and better understanding of the same. Faculty and counseling provide additional confidence building and encouragement to participate in different events designed gives calculated readiness for implementation of learning strategies via verbal, written and expressive means through articles, blogs, magazine columns, presentations and designing various quiz and brain teasers, etc. makes the learning process so enjoyable as well as brings out the fear and lack of self-confidence. Writing your ideas, blogs, columns are really easy with the guidance of Clinozol's faculty and can be posted absolutely free on the Clinozol's own name in the CS Chronicle, Clinozol's quarterly magazine, Clinozol Blogspot, a free space to write your thoughts about an innovative technical topic. Clinozol's dedicated job groups provides all the updated career information along with internship opportunities to gain the real-world working exposure during in-house training is the best way to understand and deal wisely with the upcoming work challenges. Every live event of Clinozol will provide an opportunity to interact with the industry experts from across the world in pharma, IT and healthcare and learn from their experiences and expertise advice on how to build a better career. Courses offered in Clinozol: clinical research, clinical data management, pharmacovigilance, clinical SAS, regulatory affairs, medical writing, ETMF, artificial intelligence. Complementary courses like communication skills, aptitude, Excel, pharmacology and CV writing. This is only a brief description about medical writing, and there is way much to know about this. Thank you for your attention. Please write your genuine queries in the comment section and send us.